Namo Namaha. Today we are going to solve 5 questions of Suchana Nusaram Kritihi Kurut with some key points which are asked in 2023. Well, let's begin this Q&A session with this our question. Here our given instruction is Vachu Parivartanam Kurut. Let's see its key points. First, we are going to focus on verb form, which helps us to identify specific voice. And then we are going to change it into active or passive voice. Let's see. Here, this ending the suffix indicates karmani kar. That's why this sentence is in passive voice, where our subject is in instrumental case. Now, we are going to change this passive voice into active voice. And as we know, in active voice, instrumental case is in nominative case. Let's see our verb form. First, take karmani kar without any suffix. Then add specific suffix of kartari katvatu according to subject gender and number. Here, our subject tvam in this topic is related to arno, which indicates masculine gender and singular form. That's why here one suffix has come. And last but not the least is the rule of anuswaram. After anuswaram, if there is charanadantaha, then anuswaram becomes halantatma. Here, after anuswaram, we could see charanadantaha. That's why this anuswaram becomes halantatma. So, our sentence will be Samyak Uktavan Tvam. Let's move to our second question. Here, given instruction is Tvantam Havyam Nishkasayat. Let's see its key points. Step number 1. Identify main verb of a sentence. Step number 2. Recognize Tvanta or Lebanta Apyam. And then change it according to main verbs Lakaraha, Purushaha and Vachanam. And step number 3. Add Cha Apyam before Charan Dandaha. Let's see. Here, this ending Halantata indicates Lant Lakaraha, Parasmai Padam, Pratham Purushaha, Ek Vachanam. Let's move to our second step. This ending twa suffix indicates tvanta apyam. Now we are going to change this tvanta apyam into verb form according to main verbs lakaraha, purushaha and vachanam, which will be a shrunot. Let's move to our step number 3. Add cha apyam before charal dandaha. Please note here, after anuswaram, if there is any vowels, then anuswaram becomes halantatma. Here, after anuswaram, we could see a letter, which is a vowel. That's why this anuswaram becomes halantatma. So, our sentence will be Tayoho Vivadam Ashrunot Sudasaha Vyamrushat Cha. Let's move to our third question. Here, given instruction is Tvam Sthane Bhavan Yojayat. Let's see its key points. A verb form of any sentences always changes according to subject number and person. which is known as subject-verb agreement. Let's see. Here, according to instruction, Tvam is replaced by Bhavan. Here, our subject Bhavan is third person singular form. That's why this ending Shri suffix is replaced by T. So, our sentence will be Bhavan drashtu shaknoti. Let's move to our fourth question. Here, given instruction is Sma Nishkasayat. Let's see its key points. Step number 1. Cancel ending Sma Avyayam. Step number 2. Identify main verb of a sentence. And step number 3. Change this main verb into Lang Lakaraha according to main verb's number and person. Let's see. Step number 1. Cancel this ending Sma Avyayam. Let's move to our step number 2. Here, this ending the suffix indicates lat lakaraha parasmay padam pratham purushaha ek vachanam. Now, we are going to change this lat lakaraha into lat lakaraha. Let's see its structure. First, take a letter, then add base verb with vikaranam of main verb, which will be kha, the. Then add specific suffix of lang lakaraha according to main verbs purushaha and vachanam, which will be halanta, the. And this together become a khadar. Please note here, after anuswaram, if there is any vowels, then anuswaram becomes halantamma. Here, after anuswaram, a vowel has come. That's why this anuswaram becomes halantamma. So, our sentence will be Mrugaha pratyaham satyam akhadat. Let's move to our fifth question. Here, given instruction is Lang Lakare Parivartayan. Let's see its key point. Step number 1. Identify main verb of a sentence. Step number 2. Change its Lakaraha with number and person according to given instruction. Let's see. Here, this ending of suffix indicates lit lakaraha parasmay padam pratham purushaha ek vachanam. Now, we are going to change this lit lakaraha into la lakaraha. Let's see its structure. First, take upasarga, then add a letter. After that, take base verb with vikaranam of main verb, which will be nama, and then take specific suffix of lang lakaraha according to main verbs purushaha and vachanam, which will be halanta, the. And these together become pranaman. Let's see its steps. Here, akaraha, which is the last letter of upasarga pra, a agam has come, and these together become akaraha according to savarna dirgha sandhi. This akaraha merge with cluster letter pra, and it becomes compound letter pra. And this compound letter pra, dhatu nama and suffix halantar ta together become pranaman. Here, nakaraha becomes lakaraha because of phonic sound rakaraha. So, our sentence will be Acharyaha tam pranaman. Well, in this way we have seen this Q&A session of Suchana Nusaram Kritihi Kurut. And that's it for this lesson.